guys, good morning. Nice and cold out here. Water temps in the 40s. I left some fish Sunday here and just trying to see if I can get back on them. I'm gonna actually go shallow. I dropped down the spoon here a second ago on some deep stuff, but no bites. So I'm gonna go shallow, start out there. We'll see, do a little swim baiting, and then throw my usual stuff back there. So hopefully we can catch some bass. Let's go, guys. Happy holidays. Got the UFO, super stealth, no fish finder on. So after throwing the big stuff for the first few hours, the A-rig and the swim bait, downsize here, just did a little swim bait drop shot. Little 1-pounder. There you go. Fish? Yeah, it's a fish. I didn't freaking tell for a second. Right out of grass. All right. All right. Number 3, just a little dude, little cold dude. Cold dude. Oh, dude. A bass shot up and like swiped at it. I saw it. Like literally shot up. It was crazy. I caught 3 back there. You catch anything deep? Oh, I got one. Ah. Easy. Easy. Little fat guy. Okay, okay. Oh, I can't get him. They got hooked on the bottom lip.
Sucks when that happens.
Well, A-riggins. This little guy's all day though.
Yeah.
Oh no, you're good. I see fish moving around here and there, you know, like. The wind switched though, huh? Well, north wind now. Oh yeah, baby. Oh baby. That's a good one right there, baby. Oh, let's go. Oh, side hook. Oh no. Oh yeah, got his tail too, that's why. A little better though. Little better guy. There you go. A fatter fish. We're going. Yes. Whew. They went. I saw him go under the boat, you know. Okay. So that's why I threw back. Yeah, I saw you throw back all time. It got tapped twice too, and then bam. Real freaking A-rig. A-rig fish.
Nicer one.
Let's see how much this girl weighs. Let's see how much she weighs. Nice 3.5-er. Oh, that's a fat fish. Nice 3.5. Beauty. Yes. Lucky two. Yeah. 2-pounder.